literally can't move.
I can't move either, man.
Wow, I'm like almost out, but I can't make it. Okay, the turning is really bad.
I'm here as long as you guys are. I hope you aren't
Okay, I
staying around
made it
to
out of
keep
that.
me company.
I think. Nope.
Oh my god, I got out. I'm gonna try to ram you.
Can you see me?
Yeah. Just stay still.
Okay. A little bit more. Just one more push.
Don't move, don't move! I'm trying to push your front ends.
I'm gonna turn the handlebar to the left.
Just don't move, just don't move!
They just went right through us.
I'm stuck now too.
Okay, I made it. Damn, fuck. Oh my god. Great physics, guys.
It's the hitbox, man. The hitbox is like... The hitbox is the size of a car. I'm out.
I'm stuck.
I'm gonna try again.
It was going fine until I got to this tunnel.
Fuck.
You got stuck?
Yeah.
A little bit more.
No, I pushed the wrong side.
Once we get past this turn, it should be okay, because I just go straight.
Oh shit!
Yes!
I did it!
If I fuck this up, I swear. I just want to run over Clover and Houston. They fucking ditched us.
Right through the gate, then you'll be safe.
That was a train wreck.
I have my doubts, gentlemen, but you came through.
Or
I just received the
a
information
motorcycle
we needed
wreck.
from Rust, so it's time for the big score.